We said we had time. Our flight don't leave for a whole another hour, 10 minutes.
Said happiness. I thought they were selling weed.
We're still in Indianapolis, sir. And Poppy look all good. Okay.
I'm just mad it ain't no sun.
Damn, you are the sun. As light as you are, boy.
Can't put my shades on because there ain't no sun.
Oh, that's what you missing?
Yeah.
You was supposed to come in the airport all zipped up.
I know,
you feel me?
but I can't put my shades on.
This
You got to
is
be
good.
zipped
What is
up.
this?
Nope.
Izzy's? I ain't never ate there before, though.
Fit and move.
Babe,
Nope.
it's a vacation.
Nope.
No. What we finna do for a whole hour?
You gonna eat what I eat.
I don't want no chili dog.
You gonna eat what I eat.
None of that
You
weird
eat.
stuff that you be eating.
Y'all about to see how cheap I really am when I'm finna go spend a whole lot of money somewhere else.
We still got a whole hour before our plane leaves. I thought that it was gonna be like a long line when we was getting checked in and stuff, bro. It was literally not a line at all. This is the first time I've ever been to the airport and it was not a line. Scary.
Is this
But
scary?
you better find something to eat. Yeah.
Wow.
Because how the fuck they get all these people in here that fast?
That's crazy. Her ass going to Denver too.
I know,
Should
yeah.
have stayed out there. That shit was a little bit cheaper. You know what I'm saying? With like McDonald's and all of that shit.
We can see if we can go back.
Yeah, I know, but I'm about to see. We already over here, so should see what's over here.
Because I mean, we got a whole hour.
That's what I'm saying.
What you got taste for?
I don't know. I just know I need something before I get in this damn plane.
You probably ain't even ate all day.
No, I haven't. So I said I don't know. I just need something before I get on this damn plane.
Calm your nerves. Handcrafted jewelry.
Chocolate cafe.
I need to find my what's the name so I can hold y'all up, cause this camera heavy.
That what you call it? I'm pretty sure got broken to dead.
Huh?
Talk about that little tripod thing, the little one.
Yeah, no, it wasn't broke. That's how I needed the one for my phone, right?
You said what?
The one that I was using for my phone, remember?
Where is it?
I put it in one of these bags.
You ain't put it in mine.
It's either in this book bag or
I
it's...
packed my bag.
That's the only bag you packed.
And I put my shoes in the other bag.
Yay!
I don't see how you could.
High five. I couldn't. Where'd you put them?
Right there where it was space to put them. Put them in there like this. Right there.
Well,
Whole empty pocket in the bag.
we got them in
I don't know
there.
who taught you how to pack a bag. Because I could have made a whole hell of a lot more space in that bag.
First off,
You folding clothes, you got to roll them bitches.
I don't want my clothes
Go
rolled.
to a whole lodge. I steam your shit. The hell?
Look like I'm gonna be getting my clothes steamed.
No.
That's what you just
Yeah,
said.
if you would have rolled them.
You
Folded
rolled them.
them.
You.
I didn't roll nothing.
Okay, so what are you
I said
talking
it
about?
could have been rolled and would have made a whole lot more room. in
So
that
you just
bag.
stuffed your shoes
I didn't
on
stuff
top of
nothing.
everything that was already on there.
I used to ready like shit.
Bro, you know it's potent. It's potent outside. And I ain't even walked in there yet. And I can smell it outside. So we just made it to the dispensary. I don't think I can record in there. I actually don't think I can record in any dispensaries. So I'll probably try to give y'all some footage from the phone and see how that goes. If not, you guys will probably get some pictures, and then I'll show you guys what we got when we get to our condo.
Always.
But we just got here. It's back there. We're at the Medicine Man. It was probably like...
He got the right gear. Oh, shit. Yeah.
So it was probably like 20 minutes from the airport, so we haven't really came that far. We're gonna stop here and get the festivities started for the day. Like, I'm trying to get lit, you feel me? Period. Good morning, guys. So I just wanted to come and finish off the vlog from yesterday because we didn't. I actually fell asleep in the chair that I'm in right now, and that's all she wrote. I think I smoked like one blunt and was done. So I just wanted to come and finish the vlog. Today we are doing fun stuff. There's no more traveling till tomorrow. So we'll bring you guys along with us. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that vlog. And make sure you guys comment, rate, and subscribe on this one. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave that down in the comments below. And you never know. Oh, and stay tuned before the condo tour because that's about to be lit. So that should be coming soon. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.